Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're at the Huck's World, and today we got another secret giveaway to give to you all, and it seems like you like this one, right? Because the one for MD 124 is almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you all, subscribers and followers. And with that, we're not going to keep you long. Now, this watch face that we're giving away is by Watch Base. Now, the name of the watch face was called Sport Lady. I thought it was off the charts. Many of you all may have thought it was just for women. Maybe the pink threw the guys all the way off. But I'm telling you, this watch face was off the charts. I thought the developer definitely got down on this one. All right, maybe you want to reconsider. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's call up the winners. We got winners for Canada, the UK, and the US. Starting with Canada, congratulations to Steve Jordan and Hector. Hector, you know who you are. We talked today. Also, well, yesterday, and also we got the UK, we got Richie, and also Trap Shooter. Congratulations on the win, you guys. And we got the US. Now for the US, the winners are Jackie, Steve Kelly, Kryptonia, June Bax, and Sonia McMillan. Congratulations, you guys, on the win of the Sport Lady watch face. All right, you all, I told you we're going to be in, we're going to be out. And with that, listen, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.